Speech Illustrator AI is one of the most powerful AI tools just released, and in this video I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been curious about this tool and how it can potentially change your approach to digital communication, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm about to dive into features that could seriously improve your workflow. And trust me, you don't want to miss the final point. First off, Speech Illustrator AI is a cutting-edge software designed to turn your written content into dynamic, engaging speeches or presentations with just a few clicks. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or anyone looking to bring your content to life, this tool is something to consider. It can take a simple script and transform it into a compelling voiceover, with options for natural-sounding tones, emotional range, and even nuanced pauses. What sets it apart from other text-to-speech tools is its level of customization. With Speech Illustrator AI, you can adjust the delivery of the speech to match the tone and energy of your message. Whether you need a professional tone for corporate presentations or a more casual, friendly approach for marketing materials, it's got you covered. And I'm not just talking about adjusting pitch and speed. It also allows you to tailor the emotional delivery to resonate better with your audience. Another key feature of Speech Illustrator AI is its integration with various platforms. You can easily integrate it into your existing marketing or educational campaigns, making it an excellent tool for content creators who want to engage their audience with high-quality voiceovers. No more outsourcing expensive voice talent or spending hours in the studio. This AI solution saves time and money while delivering top-tier results. This software also supports multiple languages and accents, which is a huge plus if you're working on global campaigns. Its ability to adapt and create diverse content for different cultures and audiences is something other tools just don't do as well. Plus, it offers a smooth and intuitive interface that makes it accessible even to those who aren't tech-savvy. It's one of those tools that you'll find yourself using more and more because of how easy it is to get started. Now, let's talk about the actual quality of the voiceover output. With Speech Illustrator AI, you're getting realistic speech that closely mimics human nuances. It's not robotic or monotone like older text-to-speech tools. You can actually feel the human-like cadence and emotion in the voice. If you've ever struggled with generating natural-sounding voices, this software is a game changer. But the real magic of Speech Illustrator AI comes from its AI-driven features. It has an intelligent voice selection system that automatically matches the style of delivery with the content you input. That means it doesn't just turn text into speech, it analyzes the content and adjusts its tone and delivery to match the intent behind the words. This feature alone is what sets it apart from other, more basic tools out there. Before I wrap up, here's a tip. If you're skeptical about jumping into yet another AI tool, I've got some good news. You can actually try Speech Illustrator AI completely free from the first link below. Give it a test run, see for yourself how much it can elevate your content and decide if it's right for you. And lastly, after testing thousands of AI software tools, I've got my personal recommendations in the description, including ones that are perfect for businesses, content creators, and digital marketers. I've put together a list of top AI tools that can truly streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. So if you're serious about enhancing your digital communication, Speech Illustrator AI could be exactly what you need. Take advantage of the free trial, explore its features, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.